Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from androdollar.com and this is the all new Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So in this video, let's go ahead and set this bad boy up and see what settings are offered when we set up the device initially. So if you're curious to go through the setup process of the S10, drop a like, smash subscribe and let's get started. Alright, so let's run through the setup process of the all new Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So in the first screen, as always, you have to go ahead and select your language. So here I have selected English, and next up,
let's look at the terms and conditions. Once you read and agree to these, we can really get going.
And next up, you need to go ahead and agree to all the terms and conditions. And after that, you can go ahead and hit on next. And if you want, you can back up your old data if you actually want. That is, you can do this wirelessly as well, and Samsung makes it extremely convenient. Or as you can use the USB connector that is provided in the box along with the cable to do that, but I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm gonna go ahead and skip that. And by the way, this has a voice prompt, so if you don't want that, you can go ahead and hit on this. So the voice prompts will turn on and off. And next up, you need to go ahead and connect to your Wi-Fi network. So let me quickly do that. So you need to go ahead and quickly connect to your Wi-Fi network and then hit on next. And now the device will check for any updates. So this might take a few minutes based on the speed of your Wi-Fi network. And once that is done, the device will try to complete the setup. So next up, we have to go ahead and sign into our Gmail account, or you can go ahead and skip that, but I will do that as well. And after that, you need to agree to all the service terms, and then the device will gather up all your account information. And after this, you can select to restore any of the backups that are stored in your account, or else you can completely go ahead and ignore that and hit on don't restore. And this is the interesting part. Now we come to setting up the biometrics on this device and the security. So first off, let's go ahead and set up the facial recognition on this. So Samsung has actually removed the iris scanner this time around, so now we only have 2D face unlock, and I already have a video on how fast it is compared to the Huawei Mate 20 Pro up in the channel. So definitely go ahead and check out that video. I'll have a link down below as well as a card right here. So anyway, before you set up your face unlock, you need to go ahead and set a pattern. So for an example, I'll just go ahead and set this as the pattern. And after that, you need to select if you're wearing glasses or not. So I am wearing glasses at the moment, so I'm going to select yes. And it will register up your face, and it says face registered 100%. So next up, you have various options here to set this up. I have actually gone over these settings in my tips video for the Galaxy S10. In case you guys haven't seen that video, definitely go ahead and watch that. If you own one of the new Galaxy devices, you need to check that out, because that video has a ton of awesome information for you to make the maximum out of your device. So again, I'll have a link down below in the description along with a card right here. So you can out of these settings, what I mostly recommend is to go ahead and disable the first option so that the device will automatically unlock. So after that, you actually have to if you want, you can go back and set up the fingerprint scanner as well. For some reason it just skipped over that. I don't know why that happened. Maybe because I have set face unlock as my primary, so the fingerprint scanning option was not given to me because I have set up my face, but I'm pretty sure that we can set it up later on in the settings, so we'll do that in a bit. So here now I have to go ahead and sign into my Samsung account. but I'll skip that for now. And now we are all done. So now I can go ahead and hit on finish, and that's it. So our device is now loaded. So let me quickly hop into the settings, go to biometrics, and set up the fingerprint scanner as well. So I just have to put in the password, and here I can quickly add in the fingerprint. So here I have to just scan my finger. I just have to gently place my finger on top of the display, and it works like a charm. So this is the new ultrasonic fingerprint scanner Samsung have used on their devices, the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner from Qualcomm. So again, I have made a comparison on how well this works along with the face unlock along with the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So definitely go ahead and watch that video to see the speed differences between these two devices. So that's about it for the fingerprint as well. The fingerprint has been added, and I have discussed some biometric fingerprint settings and other tips in my tips video. So if you want to learn more about that, definitely check that out. So once the fingerprint is set, this comes over here. So you just have to go ahead and place your finger, and the device will quickly unlock. If not, you can just look at the device and it will unlock using face unlock. Well, that's about it for the initial setup. So you can go ahead and install any of the applications that you want from the Play Store. You can hop into the settings and verify which version is running on your device, and definitely hop into the software updates section and make sure that there are no software updates for your device. And if you find any software updates, definitely go ahead and install the software update before you actually begin. As you can see right now, my device is up to date because I have already installed the software updates that were available. So with that, we come to the end of this video. That's about it for the setup process of the all new Galaxy S10 Plus. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, definitely go ahead and smash that like button and hit on that subscribe button if you are new to my channel as well. You can follow me on social media. I am at Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description. And stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world. Definitely go ahead and check out my other Galaxy S10 videos that are available on YouTube right now. All the links are given down below in the description. And if you are interested in picking up a Galaxy S10 Plus or a Galaxy S10, I'll have links for all of that down below in the description as well. Well guys, that's about it for this video. I hope you guys found it useful. Until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.